Mr. Priyansh Singh, Deputy General Manager, Display Business, Samsung India Electronics Private Limited. Can we welcome him on stage with a huge round of applause? He's going to be sharing his inputs on envisioning AI landscapes in education. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Priyansh, and I manage the display business for Samsung, based out of Bangalore. It's been Samsung for almost 8 years now. So first of all, thank you so much for taking out time and coming for this event. It's just a wonderful experience to be part of this gathering. Such academicians and learned people across the various segments, various schools, colleges. So I would like to start my presentation with a small couplet from Kabir, Doha. Guru Gobind dono khade kaake lagu paaye, Balihari Guru aapne Gobind yo mila hai. So which roughly means God and teacher both are in front of me, and Kabir is confused whom I should bow. Then he says that nobody can replace teacher, and they play such an important part and impact in everybody's life. So the topic for today is AI in digitalization in education and AI in education. And there's a lot of talk which is happening around what will be the future of education, what will be the future of teachers, and how students will react, and how all this paradigm shift will affect the education system. But one thing is for sure, that nobody can replace teachers. Anyone who can replace teachers is only God. So that is for sure. And AI can be just a tool, enhanced option for facilitating teachers. At Samsung, we are working towards a lot of innovative technologies, which I will cover in my presentation. So let's start with my thing. There are 4 main things which are covered in the school environment or an education environment. First and foremost is the students themselves. So the students, they are more smarter, they are more energetic, they have access to so many data, technology. So that is one part of it. Second is the pedagogy, the way you teach, the environment of the student, classrooms, and the teaching methodologies. These things has to be taken care. Basically, there are 4 main parts of this pedagogy, which we feel that are very important. First is communication. It has to be clearly communicated to the students, collaborations. Critical thinking is very important, and the creativity. Then another aspect in the education institutes is the operations. So the ease of operations will have more time for teachers and the academicians and principal to spend on something which is important, that is teaching. And the technology, obviously the technology is the 4th pillar for the current digital environment which is there in the schools. Okay, so now the thing is, few changes are happening nowadays in the classroom. Students, the attention span of the students have become very limited, very small. Not only students, even as we adults also, we have a very short attention span. And to grab something in that short span has become very challenging. Even I'm sure for students it will be very difficult. And in a class of maybe 24 to 40 students, 30, 40 students, it is very difficult for a teacher to know who has understood, who has not understood. So the quality of learning, how to enhance that. So Samsung, we have products which helps students to engage more in the class, which tries to take the attention of the students. Instead of having the traditional chalk and board, we have interactive flat panels which can have your digital content, which gives students more attention, more enthusiasm in the class, more engagement with the teacher and fellow students. So these are the things which we have worked upon. Another important thing in the school environment is the communication. I was just talking to one of the esteemed educationists. So they are looking for something called for signage for their reception purpose. So information, sending of information is very important. That information has to be quick, it has to be exactly what you intend to share, and it has to be same information across the campus or maybe across the various campuses across the country. So these are the things which we can help you with. And obviously the safety is of paramount importance nowadays, whether it is a hardware security, whether it is a software security. So we have solutions for that as well. So typically this is what is any school or college will have. And at Samsung we have a solution for every aspect of the college. Starting from the entrance to hallway, to classrooms, auditoriums, we have solution for each and every corner of the educational institutes. So I will not talk about my products as of now because talking about products is not, I mean, we can have a discussion. We have our booth outside. You can connect with us there and we can give you all the details. Primarily what I'm trying to say is if you're setting up in a college or if you're setting up in a school, we can give you end-to-end solution, starting from the entrance till the classroom to the auditorium. And we have partners, we have tie-ups with software companies. We can help you with the content and the metrics evaluation softwares also for the students. So these are the things which we have. Like in classrooms, we will have interactive displays. In hallway, we can have signage displays. In maybe parking areas, or if you have a very big campus, we have outdoor displays where you can run your wayfinding solutions. If any guest is coming, they can just click on somewhere where they want to go. And map will show how to reach there. So all those kind of things are possible with us. So now, see, today this market, especially in the interactive flat panel, is crowded with a lot of options. There are a lot of Chinese brands, a lot of other brands also. So why Samsung? Because Samsung, we have a lot of commitment for India market. It's more than 25 years in India. I think our revenue is one of the highest as compared to other Indian companies. Most important thing is that we have our own products. We have engineered, we have our own R&D, we have our own hardware, and 70–80% of components of our displays or any product is of Samsung itself. We are not buying it from somewhere and white labeling it and selling it in the market. So what it helps is, it gives you durability, it gives you a lot of confidence, it gives you quality. Second, as I touched upon, we have a total solution, starting from hardware, software, service support, everything. End-to-end, we can come do the engage with you on these things. Nowadays, people are talking about sustainability, they are talking about recycling. So I just want to touch here that we are very conscious towards our CSR activities, towards sustainability. We have taken a lot of initiatives, right from the packing of the displays, the material which we use, the size which we have found out that could be optimum, as well as the transportation, as well as the power consumptions in the displays, which we have tried to reduce as much as possible in our products. So yeah, so so as far as products are concerned, we have all sizes of displays, starting from 13 inch to whatever size you can think of. The largest installation which we have done is the 555-inch diagonal LED wall installation, which is done. We have interactive wire panels. We have video walls, 24/7 operations. We can, our products comes with 150,000 operation hours. We have our own softwares. We have partnership softwares as well. And we are known for our support. We cover more than 95% of the pin codes across the country. So this is the broadly the product information, especially on the interactive flat panels, which can be used in the classrooms. So as you can see, we have 3 sizes available, 65, 75, and 86, with the latest Android operating system. And it comes with a hell lot of features, which we can discuss. We are just there outside. Another thing which I will just quickly touch upon is our software, which is our own software with which you can control your displays from the single locations. And there it is like having a remote control of all the displays at your fingertips at your laptop or a desktop. So you can push the content, you can remotely switch it on, switch it off, and it gives you a lot of security, a lot of peace of mind using these softwares. So this is from my side, and my name is Priyansh, as I said. And thank you for your patient listening, and I look forward to meet you guys at my booth outside. Thank you.
That was Mr. Priyansh Singh, Deputy General Manager, Display Business, Samsung India Electronics Private Limited. Can we have a huge round of applause for him? And I welcome Mr. Chandan Anand. I'm sorry. I welcome Mr. Preetam Kumar Agarwal, Founder Director, Hello Kids, to kindly come up and do the honors of felicitating Mr. Priyansh Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Priyansh Singh, a huge round of applause for him for that valuable inputs that he gave on the topic, Envisioning AI Landscape in Education.